Believe it or not, these 3 apps will make you earn money using your phone to do nothing. I mean, no surveys to complete, no offers, no referrals or whatsoever. Unfortunately, they will not make you rich. But it's free and you don't have to do any of the hard work. And with that being said, we will just jump into my computer so I can show you the apps that will make you earn money using your phone. But before that, just do yourself a favor by clicking the red subscribe button with notification on. And I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. And that way, of course, make the most money. So let's get right into the video, okay? So let's start with the first app. I'll just link this app at the description box below, and even though this first app is going to be really interesting and really fun and unique, it's not the best option, so stay tuned to see 2 more apps if you want to maximize your results and make the most money. Then definitely stay tuned until the end, because you can use all of these free apps that will make you earn money using your phone to do nothing. So why not install all these 3 and make the most out of these? Don't just use one but use all of them in order for you to earn more money. Anyways, why this app is more interesting and more fun than the others? Well, because it's not only going to give you cash, and it's not only going to give you PayPal money, but you can also win different gifts every single day. They have different prizes for you. So you can win an iPhone 10, you can also win different gift cards, Apple AirPods, and Apple Watches as well, and much more. In fact, they're always adding new items, so check it daily to see their latest prizes. So that was fun, right? I mean, all you need to do is install the app, and I'm going to explain you how it works. But before that, this one is available for both iOS and Android phones, so both sides are going to be satisfied. If you're using an iOS device, just go to the App Store and search for Lifecoin. To search for Lifecoin, find this icon and install it. On the other hand, if you're using an Android phone, just go to Google Play Store, search for Lifecoin and install it, or you can just come over to this website, which I'll just link at the description box below. This is their official website and you can install it from here. Now how does this one actually work? Well, Lifecoin works like this. All you need to do is just install the app and put the phone in your pocket, because this one is going to pay you just to walk. However, you don't have to leave your house at all. I mean, you walk from your computer to your bed, from your bed to your bathroom, from your bathroom to the kitchen, to living room, and so on and so forth. You walk every single day, but now you're going to get paid just for installing this app. So just install it, put the phone in your pocket, and you can even forget about it. You're going to be collecting points which you can then exchange for different prizes, as what you saw earlier, even cash prizes, even PayPal money. As soon as you reach the limit, you can withdraw a $100 PayPal gift card. And then you can do it again and again, without doing any work. I mean, you do not have to complete any offers, any surveys, and you do not have to watch any ads, or whatsoever. You just install the Lifecoin app, put it in your pocket, and you're ready to go. Once again, the app is called a Lifecoin. You can find it on both the App Store and Google Play Store, or you can just come over to their official website. Now, before we jump into the next app, let me know in the comment which country are you coming from, so I can make more videos that work around your area. So let's get right into the next app. The next app will literally make you earn money using your phone to do nothing. You don't even have to walk in order to get paid with this app, because it runs in the background. You just install it, and then it will just run in the background. You won't even notice that you have this app, but it's going to keep making you money every single month. Make your interests matter. Join the Smart App Research Study. Yes, this app is called Smart App, and I'll just link it at the description box below as well. So you can register on their official website. For me, it's easier to register on their website. And the more devices you install this app on, the more money you will make, obviously. So join the Smart App Research Study and be part of an influential network of tech users who turn their data into useful insights and extra cash. So you're just exchanging some of your data for extra cash. And no, they're not going to steal any of your private data, like private messages and photos or whatsoever. But instead, they're just going to be looking at how you use your phone, how much you use it, or what do you know? For example, what websites you visit, and stuff like that. And they will just share it with different companies. It's not going to be public or whatsoever. You can even read their policy and read more about this app on this website as well. But if you don't want to use it on your main smartphone device, You can just find some other that you don't even use that much and just install it over there. That is if you for some reason you don't want to install it on your main device. Anyways, how it actually works. You just need to sign up to this website, and you installed the app if you qualify. So they're going to ask you a couple of questions, and if you qualify, you will be able to install the smart app. And you can basically enjoy it because you just keep your devices connected, and you will keep earning money from this. Of course, you can also complete different surveys in order to earn extra money, but that's just optional if you just want to install the app, relax and enjoy some passive earnings. And you can definitely do so because Smart App just runs in the background while anonymously and securely collecting data about how you use those devices. They do collect data about the usage of devices, device features, and apps or websites and services. And if you want to learn more and in details, why they are actually and what they're actually doing, just go to their privacy policy. They're not any hackers and it's not a virus or whatsoever. This is a really trusted app. In fact, they have been online for a while, and people definitely love this app. And most of their users are reporting monthly earnings of like $10 to $15. Which may not seem like a lot, but as I said in the beginning of this video, it's not going to make you rich, but it's still absolutely free. And you can just install it today in less than a minute and forget about it. And you will have like $10 to $15 every single month. Anyways, that was the second app. It's called Smart App. Install it, forget about it, and collect your earnings. And the last app on our list is going to be SlideJoy. This is their official website, which I will be linking at the description below as well. You will install the app for absolutely free. Once you register an account on this website, they will just be showing you some ads on your lock screen. So this is how it works. Each time you try to unlock your screen, you're going to get paid because they're going to show an ad or what they call as a card. And if you think about it, you do that all the time. You're looking at your phone wherever you are. You're constantly checking your phone, sometimes even unconsciously, such as opening your Instagram, opening up Messenger, WhatsApp, or whatever you want to do. Each time you want to access those apps, you need to unlock your screen, right? Well now, you're going to get paid each time you do that. So you do not have to do any extra work. You do not have to click on those ads. You do not have to watch those ads, those videos or whatsoever. They're just going to be shown like this, like an image. And you can just slide right to unlock your screen immediately and then just go and do whatever you want to. So, you basically have no obligation, and that's why I said no work needed for this one. Therefore, you're doing something that you already do all the time. I mean locking and unlocking screen on your phone. So it's pretty easy. Just go over to this website, install the app, then register for absolutely free and let those ads show. Just ignore them and keep making money. It's not going to be a lot, but it's absolutely free. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope you did get some value out of it, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in some of the next videos.